everybody, what's going on? Boat right here, and welcome to the family. This video we are going to be going on an adventure. We're going to be doing some hurricane preparation. We're going to be stopping off at a few places, and we will be getting some supplies for the hurricane. As most of y'all know, I live here in Central Florida, and it's projected to come pretty much right at us. So we are going to go get us some supplies today, and hopefully we'll get what we need, and we can hunker down and we'll get through this with no problems. So let's start this adventure, yeah? All right. Out of gas here. No gas. All right, everybody, we're at our first stop for the hurricane preparation, and we are at our local comic shop. They got a huge hurricane sale going on right now, so we will be seeing what we can get for a limited budget, because all of our funds have gone for food, fuel, and all kinds of other accessories we need for hurricanes. So we'll take you on this adventure and see what we get. We are heading back. We got our sandbags. There wasn't as many people out there as there was yesterday, but there still was quite a few people. While we were out there, we got word, I guess the storm has shifted a little bit, so we're very excited and pleased about that. Let's just hope it keeps shifting so we ain't gotta take the full blunt force of this bad boy. And cool thing while we were out there was, which I didn't notice yesterday, is today they had jail inmates out there helping people with filling up sandbags for them and helping them out, shoveling the sand and all that good stuff. So I thought that was really cool that they had that for the community, and plus it gave the inmates something to do productive, which I really appreciate that our city did that. And I'll be showing you clips pretty soon. So you guys take care, and we'll catch you on the flip side.